Hi, I'm Mark Sullivan for Expert Village, and today we're going to show you how to cook your veggie kebabs over a natural open pit fire. We're going to show you how to cook our veggie kebabs that we've prepared with care over an open pit fire. And in here we have corn on the cob that all we did with this is we put some butter on it and some pepper and then rolled it up in tin foil, and these we're going to put a couple of different places in the fire. So I think we're going to get started with these first. So our fire is going pretty high right now, so what I'm going to do is kind of move it around with a stick so that we'll kind of push the fire so that it won't be quite so big, so we can get going on this thing. So I'm just going to push it around a little bit.